In this video we'll be looking at Inkscape, a new program that you'll be trying to use, and we'll also be using that with 123D. So at this point it's probably a good idea to get 123D open as well as Inkscape. So you'd go down to your start menu and start typing ink, and then you'll see this little ink blot pop up. If it doesn't pop up, ask Mr. Carlson and he can help you get that installed onto your computer. So you have Inkscape open up. It should look something like this. So I'm just going to go through the steps that I have on the document, and at certain times I won't be talking much and other times I will explain what I'm doing. First thing I did was search for the Red Wings logo, clicked on images, and here's the one that I thought that I wanted. It's got nice clean lines. That's kind of what you're looking for in a picture or a logo. Some nice clean lines like that. I right click and I copied. Then I go into Inkscape and paste. So you'll see that'll pop up. Yours might be larger, that's fine. That's okay, it doesn't matter the size of it. Then I will go, as long as I've clicked on it, you'll see all these kind of arrows pop up. If I can't click on it, I might want to actually just undo it and see if I can get those arrows to pop up. So then you're going to go Path, Trace Bitmap. You want to change this, it's defaulted to brightness, change it to edge detection. You probably won't see anything pop up here. And then you'll click Update and something will pop up. And then you'll click OK and close. So just to check to make sure that worked, you'll then drag over to make sure that you have an outline of your shape, which I do. And I'm going to save as. It should automatically do Inkscape, so you should be fine there. I'm going to go to this PC, open public, and you click on your appropriate year and whatever class you're in. Go down and find Inkscape, and you'll put your name in there. And you'll save. It should automatically, like I said, be an SVG, which is what you want. Then what I'm going to do is go over to 123D, where I need to import that shape. So normally we would click Export, but now we're going to import it because it's a 2D sketch. So I'm going to import a SVG as sketch first, and I'm going to find that file, Inkscape 1, and I click on Inkscape because that's the program that made it. If you forget to click it, it's probably going to be fine. This should still work. So this one's kind of nice because it's a pretty clean logo, and it also allows me to show you something that you might need to do to fill this in. So if you notice, I have a big gap there at the top. For some reason that logo didn't properly work, so I might want to fill that in. So I'd click on my sketch, and I'm just going to fill that in with a straight line. It's not going to be perfect, but it'll get me what I need. So then I need another one over here where there's a gap. And as soon as I do that, you'll notice that I should be able to extrude this object now. So now I can actually extrude the logo that I want. And I don't really care about the words maybe, so I just want to do the logo. And I'll extrude that up about 5 millimeters. So I'll click on that. And I'll push enter. So I've got all that. If it's really laggy for you, you can hide the sketches. So click on the eyeball, hide sketches, and then it should be a lot faster for you. It shouldn't lag quite as much. So there's my logo. Then at the end I just make sure I save it. So I do is save a copy to my computer, and then I also do export STL. Remember that if this combine objects is able to be clicked, make sure you click that and then push OK.